sa...
Primary objective is to cover. Fight to a redeployment. Fight to a here we go. You can practice your aim while you wait. Launching your enemy is an effective way to get inside their heads. So is the practice your aim while you wait. Launching your enemy is an effective way to get inside their heads. So is the You're up next. To win this fight, you return to the front line. If you lose, you're done. You're up, soldier. Now go sort this fucker out. Stand by, lose, or you're done. Gas is inbound.
Buy station identified.
Enemy lost track of you. You're safe.
Buy station identified. Sender, copy.
Drop ako ng pera.
Kailangan natin ng sasakyan para sa gas mamaya.
5K.
Loadout drop headed your way. Contract failed. Time's up.
Careful, movie. That is a local cruiser. Mark the helo. Bounty contract identified.
Ako may C4 to ah.
I'll fly it.
Wala eh.
All right, passenger.
Mark the helo.
Plates pa kayo? Kaya ako na extra plates.
Ito. Ay,
Movement!
wala na.
Armor here.
Body armor here.
Nag-chopper.
Found a helo. Contact front.
Specialist achieved.
Setting a mine.
Eh, pucha.
Setting a mine.
Sniper.
Sa taas.
Friendly loadout drop on the way. Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Ay,
Yun.
yan na yung gas.
Thank you.
Dalawang box ha.
Mark the care movement.
Ay, pucha, nasa taas.
Contact front. Fine. I got you.
Enemies in the air. I've got you.
Ay, sniper.
Sniper.
Body armor here.
Nandun pa rin.
Doon pa. Doon.
I'm hit. I'm hit.
Sumugod na.
Contact! I'm taking fire!
On it.
Nagpe-plate up yan, nagpe-plate up.
Gas is moving.
Movement. Buy station identified.
Sana ba yung sniper?
Large caliber here. Copy cash drop.
Mayroon din.
Ah,
Get down!
drop ako.
Ito. Hindi na kaya ng selfie nyo. Selfie.
Moving.
Ito. Tama, bili niya ng selfie ah.
Plunder cash here.
Open tayo.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Oy, may dropping siya.
Soldier incoming.
Ay po.
Contact!
Likod,
Mark,
likod.
send it!
Putak na naman ako.
3-1, good copy. Strike inbound.
I've got you!
Uy. Sorry.
Teammates into the gulag. Surviving
Putang inang yan.
Be advised, your teammate got their ass kicked. They're RTB in this zone. Your teammate has entered the gulag.
Hindi natin buhayin yung isa. Si ano. Pixie. Drop ba?
Movement! Gas is closing. Get to the safe zone.
Enemies in the air!
Ang
Disregard last.
I can use that.
Be advised, your teammate got their ass kicked.
Assault rifle
They're
marked.
RTB in this zone.
Tactical here. Located a pistol. Sniper rifle marked. Movement! Movement!
Anyone need this?
Movement!
Supply box identified. Marking location now. Gas is inbound.
Heading out.
Next objective located.
Armor here. Heading out. Armor here.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Marking contract objective.
Next objective located.
Enemies in the area!
Enemy UAV overhead. All supply boxes
Buy
found.
station identified.
Enemy UAV
Body
overhead.
armor here. Setting a mine.
Buy station identified. Vendor, copy.
Ah,
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply. Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone. UAV overhead.
Body armor here. Sniper rifle here. Mid-caliber assault rifle here. Body armor here.
Enemy
Bounty
UAV
contract
overhead.
identified.
Does anyone need this? LMG here.
Friendly UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead. Gas is inbound.
Repositioning.
We're not all here.
Moving here.
Regroup in a safe zone.
Cash buy station identified. That is a lot of room. Small caliber rounds here.
I'm here.
This is Striker 3-1, good copy. Strike inbound.
Ay, puta.
parang hacker yan ah. Lupit.
Alam niyo.
Alam na yung
Nakadrap
spot
ka
mo
na eh.
eh.
Nababaril ka pa.
Nandiyan na oh.
Taking fire.
Sumugod na sila.
Yan na, dalawa. Putang inang yan.
Only 25 remain.
Arctic care package. Moving.
Movement.
Thank you. Okay ba sa loadout?
Take sharp.
Okay lang yun.
Armor here.
Plato kayo yan. Extra. Pangkain. Plato.
Templar meron.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
Thank you, thank you.
Cancel that. Extra lethals here.
Ay, sa left tayo.
Copy cash drop.
Yun.
Gas is closing in.
Target right here.
Sa atin to, sa atin to. Panalo to.
Get to the safe zone.
Left tayo mamaya, sa may bridge. Sa may bridge tayo.
Oh, yan na.
Na-stuck ako dito ang puta. Open.
Di pa ako nakapag-loadout.
Moving here.
In the area. Gas is inbound.
right here.
Marking new safe zone. Keep the pressure on. Enemy UAV overhead.
Pabuhay ako dito.
Uy,
Pabuhay ako dito, bossing. Sa may truck.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Ay! Sorry, sorry. Sige lang, sige lang. Magkalaban pala dyan.
Ay, okay na ano, dalawa pa. Wala pa akong dun.
Uy. May cheater daw eh. Sayang oh. Number 2. Pwede mong i-play again kagad yan pag ano.
Oh, naka-play. Pataya
Ay.
naman.
Ay, ayaw.
Nakalock na naman yung live with play.
Ah, okay.
Live game.
Sige, sige. Sino na wala? Pwede na, bossing. Sayang oh. Ikan pa.
Hmm?
Nawala? Nawala ulit?
Apat na, ma'am.
Ah, okay, okay. Nag-glitch lang siguro sa akin.
lang. Hintay ni.
advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone.
Scavenger contract located.
I'll take.
Ano?
I'll take.
Buy station identified. Buy station identified.
Contact!
Dami.
Does anyone need this? Does anyone
Scavenger
need this?
contract located.
Oo, ang dami ah.
Iwas tayo dun.
Targets are up. Get to work. Supply box ready for pickup. Objectives updated. Move to the next location. An enemy team is hunting you. Stay alert.
Buy station identified.
Station. Lang ano. Kulang pa. Ay, pwede na.
Vendor here if you need equipment.
Got a vehicle here. Copy.
Ayan, may nag-i-snipe pa.
Cancel that.
Apo. Dito na.
G here.
Ay, pucha. Nasundan ako. Dalawa sila.
Moving.
Cash money. That is a
Ngayon mo yan.
I need that.
Jedrick Luis Sapitana. Oh, Lods, pag may spot, invite ka namin. Steel Engine.
Your teammate has entered the gulag. Surviving earns them redeployment. Loadout drop headed your way. Your teammate got a proper sorting.
Yun
Sending
yan.
them home.
Hoy,
Taking fire!
pataas yata.
Enemies in the area!
Ah, tama. Ay.
Kailangan yan, warm up pa lang to.
Warm up pa lang yan.
Trying to earn redeployment.
Pang ilang warm up na eh. Parang nung last week pa nagwa-warm up ah.
Pay attention. You'll be able to
Long-term warm up to.
Give them some choice words or smash their mugs with a well-placed stun. ready. Listen up, soldier. Win here and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done. You're up, soldier. Now don't sort this fucker out. Your team has the cash. Wait for payment to release.
That is mine. Moving to collect.
Buy station identified.
Thank you, Jedrick. Jedrick.
Last year we decided that we want to reinvent the whole dimension
Stay with it.
Hahaha. Nice.
how my high school seminar I was able to get started with my pilot life, but currently running school over the past few weeks to get my student pilots license. Many steps that currently done check up
Load out pa dun sa... Naglo-load out yata dun sa orange eh.
Cash money. That is a wonderful.
Thank you. Pwede bang kukunin yung loadout? Galing nga kayo dito.
Kalaban dito.
Point smart.
Ito muna ako dyan. Mahirap na.
Okay, we have a few things here. One, I have
Contact! Contact!
May sniper rifle kayo. May dalawa dun oh.
Enemies in the area!
Buy station identified. Never mind.
Contact! Got gas moving in. Enemies in the area!
Sa loob.
Nasa fire station, lobby ata eh. Masok eh. Ayun, yung sa taas oh.
Contact!
Down, down.
Movement.
Moving.
Ah, Nap niya.
Oh, may kasama yan.
Sa baba na. Sa baba.
Enemy launched an advanced UAV. We're exposed. Movement! Movement! Heading out. Never mind.
Wala na ako sniper armor. May sniper ka?
Wala eh.
Napatay ko yung kasama niyang isa eh. Mag-isa na lang yun.
Receiving hostile
Oh, yun.
Nandiyan pa rin.
Movement!
Ay, yung kasama niya nandun pa rin.
Kabilang.
Oh, sa kabilang building. Green.
Movement!
Nandito siya sa orange.
Disregard
Your
last.
mark.
Moving.
Copy your mark. Movement! Movement!
Andun pa rin sa kabila. Uy! Sniper.
Yan ka.
Nandito sa side.
Labas? Nasa labas?
Nandito. Hindi ko ma-mark.
Sige.
Basta dyan banda.
Movement!
Ito yung sniper.
Cancel that. Head now. Never mind. Movement! Marking armor. Copy your mark. Relocating. Never mind. Enemy mark.
Tag lang.
Movement! 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 Mark the target. Movement!
Aid station here.
Yes.
Assault rifle marked.
May paparating ah.
Enemy vehicle! Moving. Disregard left. Enemy vehicle!
Yes.
Luto lang ammunition.
Mid caliber here.
Meron kayo?
Marking armor.
Uy.
LMG marked.
Dalawang sasakyan papunta
Buy
rito.
station identified. Copy cash
Sa
drop.
kabila. Pumunta sa atin yung isa.
Tapos.
Ay, tama. Plate up pa siya eh.
Uy, sinutod meron din. Sila ulit.
But we'll be back to finish the job.
Akar ba?
Mamaya ulit ako.
Oo, sige, sige. Okay,
Kakain
back
lang kami.
bossing. Okay, back bossing. Hello. Sige, sige. Tristan.
Ay. Oh, online nga.
Led Zepp. Si Led Zepp. Led Zeppelin. Let's see.
Jack Manip.
What up, what up?
Hello, hello.
Yun. May isa pa.
Nawala si Uncle Dre? Ayaw na niya?
Nawala eh, nawala.
Okay, sige, 3 years on.
Trios.
Wait, what the? Headset na ako, pero lumalabas pa rin yung sun sa TV. Nice, bug. Hello, guys.
Get yourself sorted. We'll be deploying shortly.
Oh my goodness. Ba't ganun?
Warm-up's done. Time to kick this off. The Battle Royale. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Gas is closing on your position. Suggest you get moving. Vendor marked. We're finding station left.
I'll take.
Turn on lampshade.
Dito na lang, dito na lang.
I'll take. Does anyone need this?
Targets are up. Get to work.
Ay, ito may kasama pala dito. Nakita.
Kalaban na. May kalaban sa building. Ay, ito, ba't ganyan ito?
You win this fight and you return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. You're up, soldier. Now go sort this fucker. You got your ass kicked in that one. We're sending you back to base. Not over yet. Your team can still buy your release.
$800 pa lang yung pera ko.
Ay pa, kita mo? Lumalabas sa sound yung TV. Pero yung voice chat namin, pumupunta sa headset ko. Yung settings naman, hindi naman lumalabas, hindi ko naman sinet na lumalabas yung sound sa TV.
Wads of cash here.
Ang dami clean.
Meron ka pang... Ay. May nalampasan ka pang pera doon kanina, Lods. Unang bed.
Ikaw ng door.
Sa kanan. Oh, balik. Sa bed.
Ayun. Ayun.
Meron pa sa likod. Yan.
Konti na lang.
Pwede na. Pagsamahin yung pera.
Pwede na. Saan na ba siya?
Pero loot nyo na lang dyan pag ano. Baka sayang din.
Buying station, saan yun? Malayo.
Kapit lang. Loot nyo pa to eh.
Moving.
Ah.
Disregard last.
Armor's over here. Vendor marked.
Ay, may bumili doon?
Never mind. Moving. Disregard that.
Kahit saan.
UAV na. May bumili dito?
Got movement.
Sila na ata yung nag-UAV eh.
Saan? Sa pupunta.
Check natin. Ito, 3-6 na ako.
Armor's over here. Located a field upgrade.
Tara na, pwede na siguro.
Set an AT mine.
Ito.
Thank you. Wala pang loadout.
Assault rate. SMG located.
Yun o, 6-4 yung ano. Pwede bumili loadout.
Lang pa.
Vendor marked.
Na may kotse?
May sasakyan parating.
Papunta sa atin. Ay, bumili.
Parang dako pala nila.
Get down.
Buti nakuha mo yung pera nila. Hindi pa sila nakabili.
Namatay ba sila?
Nadali pa ako ang pucha.
Located a field upgrade.
Sayang. May pan loadout na sana.
8,000 pa naman oh.
Galaw tayo, gusto nyo dito tayo, baka dito lutin. Ay, ang daming loot dito.
Loot ko to ah.
Tala. Sige.
Ay, bukas na. Ted dito.
Ayun.
Po. Meron sila, meron.
Aray.
Ay, saan ka?
Nako kayo. Dalawa sila.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Nandyan mismo. Malayo.
Nandito.
Loadout drop inbound.
Never mind. Got movement.
Yan na.
Relocating the safe
Sibat
zone.
tayo.
Pucha.
Enemy UAV
Mag-isa lang siya eh. Ay, dalawa. Dalawa sila.
Tangin na. Hindi ako pinaporma ang pucha.
Disregard last.
Hindi nakasibat. Hindi tayo nakasibat doon ah.
Okay.
Yun na. Hindi tayo nakasipat ko na.
Ayun. Nasa dati.
Eh, putz.
The enemy's got that gun, but we'll be back to finish the
May, may palito-lito lapit pa kasing nalalaman.
Ako ba yung ano? Ako yung ano, no?
Ah, ikaw. Hindi, si
Ah?
Lino.
May palito-lito malapit pa kasing pa-slide-slide eh. Easy.
Latid. Ito latid.
Get yourself the proper warm-up. We'll be deploying soon.
Wow.
All right, that's enough fucking about. Now we do this for real.
Let's go.
Battle Royale. All right, soldier. Mark a drop point for your
Does
team.
anyone need this?
Be advised, gas
Bagsak
is
kaagad.
closing in. Proceed to the safe zone.
Bagsak agad.
Inuuna mo sa chopper ko.
Chopper lang kukunin yan.
Dami nila dyan ah.
Targets are up.
Chopper dapat kukunin ko para ano.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Ang daming kalaban.
Dami dyan, dami.
Got movement.
Ay, hindi ka pa natamaan. Ah, wait. Patay na ako. Diba?
You win this fight and you
Snipe.
return to the front line. But if you lose, you're done here. Sort them out or capture the objective.
God, God.
Stand by for redeployment.
Dito ako sa kabila lo.
May kasama ka dito?
Walang tao. Wala.
Ayos, ayos.
If you don't like the life, then
Your teammate has entered the gulag.
Who's
Surviving
the god
earns them
you're in the field?
redeployment. Enemy UAV overhead. teammate is redeployed. Stand by. Enemy soldier incoming.
Wala dito sa lapat.
Repositioning. Scratch that.
Moving. Enemies in contact! Contact!
Dito na sila.
Sino ba bumuhay ah?
Dito sa akin. Sa iba.
Ayun na, ayun na. Nandun sa ilalim mo, hindi mo. Ilan ka? Ilan?
Isa. Dalawa.
Bumaba sa'yo, bumaba.
Enemies in the area!
Dalawa sila.
Your teammates in the gulag. If they survive, they can redeploy.
Sayang! Down ko na isa!
Moving in.
Ouch!
Ah, isa na lang yung plate ko.
All hard out there. Return to base sequence.
May invite lang ako, Lods. May invite lang ako.
Ay. Tibak ko.
One Lods.
Back.
Okay. Ay. Uy. Puno pa, Tristan. May kasama kaming isa, Lods. Mamaya pag may spot, Tristan. Sana si Led Zeppelin.
Ano? Wala.
I-add mo sila para pag minsan yata. Agal.
Sumapit batok ko sa sisig ah.
Sana all sisig. Awan laok na kanong rak.
Negative.
So tasim bakit?
Tawanarak na tatas.
So tasim bakit?
Tungarod.
Ang nasanay.
Get yourself a proper warm-up. We'll be deployed soon. Hostile dropping. Watch the skies. Enemy soldier incoming. Playtime's over, mate. You're going to the war zone.
Bakit tama sa sniper ah? Tagal ko nang di mas... Ano? Puro assault rifle lang sa akin.
Battle Royale. Set a drop point for your
anyone
team,
need this?
soldier. Destroy the gas. Get to the safe zone.
Tara, hot drop. Bakbakan yan.
Overshot.
Watch the skies.
Pala tayo. Uncle Dre.
Movement. Enemies in the air. Contact. Primary objective. Come on.
Puta na, ang dami nila dito ah. Sa pwesto ko.
Meron na pala dito.
Siguro natin yan, Uncle Dre. O gate
Dami
na
nila
lang.
dito sa akin.
Pay attention, you'll be
Pucha,
Sige,
nakataas
Uncle
pa
Dre.
sila.
Ano siya? Meron ng claymore dito. Tulong. Saka meron na ammunition.
You win this fight and you return to the front line.
Bahala siya
If
dyan.
you lose, you're
Wala
done.
siya dyan. Hindi siya akat, mamamatay
Time
naman
to
siya.
earn your freedom, soldier.
Pucha.
Wow.
Then,
Got your ass
other
kicked
way.
in that one.
Nakaabang.
Sending you back to base.
Gawin natin, sige.
It's not over yet. Your team can still buy your release.
Talaga na baril.
Meron ng ammunition. Sinalak doon.
Heading out.
Sige, sige. Punta tayo doon.
Relocating. Buy station identified.
Yep, yep, yep. May nag-
Buy station identified. Check.
Got movement.
Target area is
Allied
marked.
cluster
You're
strike
cleared hot.
inbound.
Movement.
Yun.
Copy cash drop.
Hindi ka ata. 100 pa.
Puta na, may kalaban doon.
Oh, threat sa akin, threat sa akin. Punta mo na ako dito.
Movement.
I hear you.
Buy station I disregard that.
We're in safe zone. Watch for enemy.
On the move. Sniper right here.
Buy station identified.
Sakto may 2-6 na.
Buy station. Good copy.
Movement.
Kalaban rin
I hear
doon.
you.
Aming kalaban kahit saan. May bumili na kasama. Yan yung dalawang kasama binili niya. Tumakbo na rin sila dito.
Vendor marked.
Mark. Oh, may got siya, may got siya. Nice. Okay. Satchel left.
Armor's over here.
Hindi pa kasha, ano? Ayun, kasha na, kasha na.
Anyone need a gas mask?
May pa, drop lang ka.
Armor here.
May
Copy
pa,
cash
drop
drop.
lang ka. 20,
Enemy
20.
UAV overhead.
Heading out. I'm driving.
Ammunition.
Habang mga gamit yung mga pinatay nyo.
Nasaan yung isang pera? Ah, hindi pa rin kasha.
I'll drive.
100.
Ako, nabitin pa.
100 pa.
Base station ba yan? Dito na tayo.
Vendor here if you need equipment.
Tayo dito.
Vendor here if you need equipment.
May kalaban dito.
Heading this way.
Parang ganun. Eh, dito.
Dito na lang tayo kaya ano. Kabila.
Hintay, ilalabas na rin yung preload eh. Lalabas. Lalabas na sa ngayon.
Loadout drop in.
Yan na nga. Narinig yung
Isa lang.
panalangin.
Care package.
Pero namin mission.
Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Ako dito yung...
Watch them here. Vendor marked.
May bala ba?
Sa baba.
Shit.
Armor's over here.
Pupunta ako by station. Dami yung pera.
Armor here. Mid caliber here.
Squads of cash here.
Armor
Enemy
here.
UAV overhead.
Anong kalaban?
Losing ground.
Moving. Armor here.
Armor's over here. Mid-caliber here. Scratch that.
Armor here. Field upgrade here.
Ang bili mo selfie, boss.
Boss?
Moving.
Ayan na ako
Another
sa
cash
bag.
Ito. Hindi si Labor.
Sige, boss.
Kaya lang buy station na malapit.
Daming pera dito.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Walang nag-loot.
Marked a target.
Sa gitna na ba tayo? Hindi pa.
Movement.
Hindi pa. Hindi. Hindi ka lang.
Ayos lang.
I hear ya.
Para hindi tayo
Yat may bumili nga ng kasama dun.
Enemy marked.
Enemy
Set
UAV
command.
overhead. Enemy
Movement.
launched an advanced UAV. We're exposed.
Never mind.
Gas is closing in.
Movement.
Relocating the safe zone. Got movement.
Never mind.
Disregard that.
Sounds good. Enemy marked.
Enemy helo.
Broken. Saan?
Movement.
Saan natin?
Saan sa bundok? Bigyan natin ng leksyon. Hindi na maruham.
Movement.
Hindi pa may kasama yun. Umalis na sila?
Ay, sumakay kanina eh.
Friendly UAV
Pumunta sila
overhead.
dito.
Ayun sila.
Moving.
Ayun, kill confirmed. Siya lang mag-isa?
Gas is inbound.
Pero-
Bumili sa kanya.
Found a helo.
Be advised. Friendly precision airstrike inbound. Got movement.
Movement.
Got movement.
Naman, nakagulo siya.
May tao sa building.
Armor here.
Hindi pa nagpagano siya. Hindi siya gumapang pagano.
Target marked. Send it.
This is Striker 3-1. Good copy. Strike inbound. Impact. No joy.
Sa bundok. Pinanggalingan natin.
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch your size.
Putang. Nasa baba pala.
Baba, taas. Ano?
Your teammates in the
Lalot lang
gulag.
sila.
If they
Yung
survive,
dalawa
they
nilang
can
kasama
redeploy.
malayo.
Your teammate was sent to the gulag. They'll fight for a chance to redeploy.
Diyan sa loob eh.
Tago muna. Ako silang maglaban.
Be advised, your
Light vehicle
teammate got
here.
their ass kicked. They're RTB at this time. Enemy UAV overhead.
Nasa base niya, Uncle Dre. Ay, nasa gitna na.
Teammate has been cleared for redeployment.
Nice.
Hostile dropping into the area. What? Gas is closing in. Relocating the safe zone.
Ika bro.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Wala.
Movement!
Enemy UAV overhead.
May pera ka ba?
Wala siyang pera. 1,000.
You are now marked as most wanted. Eyes on a
Meron
swivel.
pa atang isa?
You're losing ground.
Ayun oh. Bumaba.
Enemies in the area!
Nice. Yeah.
Gotta be, never mind.
Target right here!
Enemy UAV overhead.
Got a vehicle here.
Hard copy on transport.
Nice.
Ilang minutes pa?
1 minute. 1 minute 15 seconds.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
1 minute.
1 minute.
Enemy dropping into the AR.
Uy.
1 minute.
Got a vehicle here.
Magtikang pa ako namatay ang puta. Ay! Ay, sa likod.
Nadalo talaga. Dalawa.
Dikoy pala ang puta.
Naghihi.
Nakakotsilyo pa. Tayo lang yan.
Tampas sa ano eh, sa likod eh.
Dalawa.
Nag-get pa. Sana pwedeng ipasa yung king na contract ano.
Ayun.
Dalawa.
Less than 25 is still standing. Fought hard out there. Return to
Out na ako, guys.
Yan na.
Out na ako, guys. Good game.
Sige. The last game na rin ako. Para bangon.
Sabi mo 2 yan, no?
Sabihin. May oras yun.
Alas 8. 8.
Dinner rin.
Napansisigan, no?
Ayaw kong gayam niya.
Sakit bato kon, madin.
Sige. Sarap na. Kape konyosi.
Napo.
Kailangan
Ulam
kaarako.
snack.
Kailangan kaarako.
Napo.
Yon. Para mainit.
Napudot 5 to, yung 5.
get yourself a proper warm-up. We'll be deployed soon. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Hostile dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Enough practice. Time for the real thing. Battle
Does
Royale.
anyone need this?
Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in.
I'll take.
Be advised, gas is closing in. Proceed to the safe zone.
Dami.
Contact! Moving. Disregard blast.
Clear to engage all targets.
Tangin lang yan. Nakamabilis na buhay yun ah. Gulag agad. Bagsak sa gulag.
You return to the front line. You lose,
Diretso
you're
sa
done.
gulag. Eh.
Time to earn your freedom, soldier. You gave them a proper sorting. Stand by for reinforcements.
Balik ka agad.
Supply box marked. Secure the package. Sectors updated. To the next location.
Layo niya.
Beberaj. Salamat, idol. Tara na. Bakbakan na. Ay, patulog na pala ako.
Contract updated. New objective identified.
Assault rifle here.
Work. Sana all. Dami ng pera niyan. Puro work na.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Spy station identified.
Load out, load out.
All supply boxes found. Solid work.
Meron na pang battle pass. Yun. Kinakailangan ng battle pass na ano. May CP points ka naman. Naka-ready na yung pang battle pass ko. CP points. May 4K ako.
UAV overhead. Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Moving.
Load out,
Disregard
bossing.
that.
Yeah, bossing.
Request recon flyover.
UAV entering the AO.
Does anyone need this?
Uy! Sunloads.
Movement! Movement!
I've got you.
UAV is bingo fuel. RTB. Gas is moving. Enemy UAV overhead.
Hindi pa tumama. Putik naman yan.
UAV overhead.
Patay!
Yo. GG.
Mag-isa lang yan.
GG.
Uy. Ano lang pag-asa, Lods?
Dito lapid na naman to.
Baka nasa flag na. Uy!
Learn from the loss. Failures are
Sige mga
Good
idol.
game, good
Bukas
game.
ulit ako.
GG, GG.
GG. Okay, boss. Bigat naman na kuha.
Sige idol, sakto Sabado. Baka dada prudent.
Sige.